Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Royal Minds. Watch Royal Minds and make your thought royal. Well, nowadays everyone wants to speak English fluently. There are many reasons for it, either for a job purpose, for studying, for communicating with others, etc. Right? Well, many people know English, but they can't speak or express it in words. When someone speaks to you in English, you will understand. When your turn comes to speak, you will become conscious. You know English, you understand better, but you can't speak confidently. Why this happens? Just think, when you speak in your mother tongue, you think or your thought will be in your mother tongue and you are expressing it easily. But while speaking in English, you think in your mother tongue, then you are converting it to English and then you are trying to speak. Right? This is the problem, conversion. If you find solution for it, then your English will become fluent. Just think how you learned your mother tongue. If you use those skills to learn English, then you will speak fluently, 100%. Just tell me now, have you learned your mother tongue? Before you started going to school itself, you learned it, right? No one taught you, just by observing and practicing it. You didn't learn through grammar. You didn't study how to use words. Then also you learn to speak fluently. How is it possible? Just observe small children. How do they speak? They observe elders, imitate them, and also they copy them. Then they apply those things while speaking. That's it. Even we have to do that. Observe and practice and then apply it while speaking. Maybe some people got question now. Okay, we observe, but with whom to practice? If we speak with someone or with friends, they will make fun of us. Then how? Well, I will tell you the solution just by writing it on daily basis. Try to write in a book what happens that day in English. Let it be your thinking or thought in English. Make a habit of it. Most important is use simple words. Don't use complicated words. Then you won't make mistakes and no need anyone's help. Whatever you think in English and speak in English. No conversion, right? Yes. Mind has a power to do anything and everything. One thing you have to keep in mind, initially, whatever we do, we will be wrong. This is the problem because of which most of the people are not able to do what they really want to do because they want to be right. When you start doing something, anything for that matter, what happens is we try to do it and we are not able to do properly and we give up. Even if you are wrong, it is not about your life or death situation. Maximum what can happen with us, somebody will make fun of us, right? Just smile to them, no problem, keep trying. Just think, if you know everything, you collect all the information. If you are not using that information into action, what will you do from that information? Learning means getting some information and bringing into practice. That is called learning. Keep on building your practice. Brain has so many ways to receive information. Use all of them and practice well. There is a famous saying that communication works for those who work at it. If you will work at communicating, you will get better. Without efforts, there is no key, no guide, and no shortcut through which you can achieve it. Nobody is born a good communicator. You have to work on it and you can. Today, if you are determined on how to change your circumstances in terms of improving your communication skills with your efforts, everything is possible. But without efforts, nothing is possible. So, keep on trying and practicing. You will communicate better. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. For more updates, press the bell icon. Thank you.